This is a UVC germicidal lamp. I made a video about it a while back called Flesh Burning Death Lamp, but from the number of comments I've been getting and the number of messages, it's very clear that people don't really understand just how dangerous these things are. They can be used as germicidal lamps, but there's a few things you should know. Firstly, I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to show you what it looks like very briefly. So it lights up this lovely iridescent blue inside, and then I'm going to turn it straight back off because if you expose your skin to the UVC light, it will damage your skin. It won't give you a suntan. It will just go right past all the suntan aspects. It will give you sunburn. And the longer you get exposed to it, and it won't show up immediately, the more damage there'll be. If you look at the lamp, then you will suffer eye damage and you'll end up with what's called arc flash or arc eye. And this is something that welders get from working with the arc welding, and it happens to young inexperienced welders who think they can get off that, do a bit of welding, and they've got their mask up to see better, and they end up with like basically a sensation when you wake up in the middle of the night that someone's thrown a handful of sand into your eye. So now you know the hazards. And incidentally, if that does happen to you, it usually passes after a few days, but it will be a very uncomfortable few days. Look online for more information, seek medical attention if you need to. However, the people that are contacting me at the moment are wanting to know how to use these for the germicidal use for this current viral situation. So the way I use it is I do it one room at a time, and I make everybody aware that there's going to be ultraviolet radiation in that room. That's not hard because I live on my own, but if you live with other people, that's what you should do. Put the lamp into a fully exposed lamp socket in the room. It could be a table light, it could be the ceiling light. Turn it on and immediately leave the room, and leave it for about 30 minutes to be exposed. In that time, no kids, adults or pets must go into that room, because if they get exposed, they will get damaged by the ultraviolet light that comes off this. After that 30 minutes, go in and turn the light off immediately and then leave the room again, because these things produce a lot of ozone and it smells like a gaseous bleach. Once that 30 minutes has passed, then you can go in and you can remove the light and put it back in its box. But the room will still stink of ozone for a very long time afterwards. It will drop quickly, but it will still linger for a long time. If you want to make a sterilising box, then you actually have a few options. You can get little USB rechargeable ultraviolet lamps that when you push the button at the bottom, a little blue light lights, and then after a while, it's not going to power up until after a while, and then I'll turn it off as soon as it does. But you can put something like this in the box, and it's got the same quartz or phosphate glass tube. That's it lit now. It's just glowing. It's still powering up. Let's turn that off. Great for the fridge, great for enclosed boxes, but not good for larger areas. You could use this in a box, but just make sure that it's well screened from light, escaping and other people being able to see the light coming from it. Other important things to note: keep the box that your lamp came in. Write dangerous lamp on the side with a Sharpie. Write dangerous lamp on the side of the box with a Sharpie. Make sure everyone in the house knows that's dangerous, so that in the future someone doesn't find the lamp. And that could be one of your kids finds the lamp and thinks, oh, that's a cool disco light, and they could damage their eyes and the skin. So just be aware, these can be used, they work, but they are dangerous. Treat them with caution, and find more information down in the description below.